Not too long ago I was in Chongqing, and Chongqing is just a really cool city, and it has all these, I felt like in Chongqing I was always in buildings overlooking different stuff, and actually now that I'm in this space in Macau, I kind of feel like I'm doing the same thing. So basically there's a mountain right here, and there's all these skyscrapers that are kind of actually almost overtower the mountain here. But then this mountain, there's another one over here, there's more green grass over here, and then of course this green grass comes down, it's kind of like the side of the mountain. But it's kind of reminding me a lot of how cool Chongqing was. Chongqing is... Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Chongqing is probably one of my favorite cities in China, and a lot of it I like it because there's like this high density to it. You know, it has one of the highest populations of people in the world, and there's also like surrounded by rivers, and actually Macau is also surrounded by rivers as well. Sorry, not rivers, ocean. So here we're kind of like on a little sandwich of a peninsula and islands and other little islands that are kind of all around it that are being built as a new development for Macau is coming together. So there's a lot of similarities between the two, and actually this spot right here just kind of it's kind of reflecting on that. And I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to share some videos of Chongqing, and then I'll kind of just talk about it and compare them a little bit more. If you want to see more videos of mine in Macau, just take a look. Just look for, do a search for mine, get sidetracked, look under things like view and hilltop, you know, especially view, because I think I use that quite a bit. So okay, we're going to compare with Chongqing, and I'm going to throw in a bunch of Chongqing videos next. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but straight down here there's a river right there, and then you can see the mountains and you can see some skyscrapers. So basically the way that we are, it kind of goes like so we're basically like in a little peninsula, and we're gonna keep walking, but we're kind of in a peninsula, and on both sides there's water on both sides. A big river comes through. It's kind of like Three Rivers, Pittsburgh, with a big peninsula in the middle. And we're on this big peninsula right now, so you got some pretty amazing views. So we're gonna try to catch some more if we can. So what we're gonna do now is I just want to go down one of these side streets, and I think I'm gonna get a view. But the other thing that's kind of interesting about it is I kind of feel like, I don't know, it's kind of interesting because of this the way that the river works. You know, I think things are kind of condensed in all these apartments, and kind of a little bit hilly, traffic that's a little bit tough. So we're just gonna wander and just kind of see what we come up with. Man, this city reminds me a lot of being in Seoul, because Seoul you're basically always in mountains. You're kind of going up and down something all the time. And then this city, on top of it, has a lot of really tall buildings everywhere too. Seoul does as well, but for this one even feels like it even has more. There's a whole wall of... Oh, look at that. It's just all tall buildings all the way down. I mean, they start all the way down there and they go all the way up too. And we're just kind of in the middle. We're not even at either one. Bye bye. Gigi, thank you. Dang, look at all that construction. So yeah, it goes all the way up in there too, and it goes all the way down too. So it's just like we're kind of in a, like in a, I don't know what you would call this. Like we're not really high or low. We're just kind of I don't know. Chongqing is a pretty interesting city. So we're just kind of up in the middle of all these skyscrapers, and we're on a nice path. But we're also like, just kind of go down and take a look. But you can see all these kind of houses like that, and these little courtyards that you can kind of sit on. So I don't know, when you have these mountain cities, they kind of there's a lot of kind of cool places just to kind of hang around. Little street lights too. Yeah, I don't know, really like the city. So basically goes up, and you kind of got these things for like rock cards, and then you have stuff that's down there. So I don't know, it's pretty interesting. So let's just see here. Looks like you got a little park over this way, and we could also go down that way, or we could go this way. So okay, so it's kind of cool. And they got mahjong here, and I think we can walk in here. I don't know if we can or not. Can we walk through this? Oh, okay. I think we can't. This is like an apartment complex. So we're gonna walk back out. I guess we're playing. I guess we're gonna try to walk. I don't know. Okay, and we're gonna transition back to some Macau footage, and you can also see this kind of coolness as well in Macau. So that's one of the things I really liked about both Chongqing and Macau. Right now I'm going to be doing comparison. So I'm narrating where the Chongqing footage was actually me actually walking in Chongqing, and then the footage that was in Macau earlier was me walking in Macau, and this is me actually narrating from home right now. But yeah, when I get to certain spots in Macau, there's also these like little hilltops, because this was basically kind of like islandish with a little peninsula. Yeah, this would be kind of cool, actually. So basically, when I'm up in parts of Macau, it's like, oh yeah, I have these really amazing views. So there's some really nice similarities with Chongqing, and every once in a while, I just really like the feeling of Chongqing, and I also love the feeling of Macau as well. So this video basically is just putting these together, and you can see a little bit of both cities. And also, I have about 7 or 8 videos on Chongqing, so I hope that maybe I'll put those at the bottom, at the end of the screen. And hopefully some of you will go check those out. And I have there's like 8 or 9 videos. I definitely will go back to Chongqing again. And of course, this is always Macau. So if you're coming at this because you're interested in Chongqing, you can also see that Macau has more than just casinos. It has all kinds of cool little hills and stuff. You kind of have to explore to find them a little bit. Well, they're all out there on tourism sites as well. But generally speaking, most people just come for the casinos and some of the architecture. But anyways, yeah, I hope that you can, actually this scene right here, I'm actually coming to see this abandoned building that's kind of up on this rooftop, up on this ridgeway, up in the hills a little bit. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this one as well, and yeah, make some comments below. I'll definitely be filming in China more as soon as the COVID ends. I can go visit Zhuhai quite a bit. I'll probably create some other videos with Zhuhai and Macau. So, some people are just only interested in China, and they don't really think too much about Macau, or maybe they are interested in Macau, but they don't really know much more about it than the casino. So maybe this one can kind of introduce people to Macau who are predominantly used to China. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one as well. Make some comments, and yeah, I hope yeah, let me know what you think. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.